I'm pretty sure you're not watching this video because you're considering buying this new DEERC drone for yourself, but you want to know if it's good for your kids. Here I am, the big giant kid, so what we're going to do today real quick is I'm going to take it out, fly it, show you some of the stunts, some of the features, how it works, and then I'm going to come back, give you a review, Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know if I think this is a great idea for your kids or a piece of junk. I do have to say it was provided to me to give you that information, but DEERC is great. They never give me any instructions. They're like, just try it, use it, tell them the truth. And if you look at some of my other reviews, you'll see sometimes I don't always love everything. Anyway, let's check it out. Let's go fly it. So while you're watching it fly, the key features that you want to know about, my first and most favorite thing about this is the fact that it has the ducted fans. I love that. Even for me, I get in trouble if I want to fly these things in the house, and Nikki's like, you're going to scratch up the walls, this, that, the other thing. And it is just a great thing that the fans are ducted. Gives you an extra level of safety that I really appreciate. It has a lot of smart features. It has throw to go, it has circle me, does the 3D flips, it has 3 speed modes, it has one key takeoff, it has altitude hold, it has FPV, it has headless mode, and it has the emergency stop, which I have to admit, for the first time ever, not with this particular unit, I actually used it when one of them was flying away and it just kind of crash landed and it survived and was able to fly another day. So I think that's a good value add. This thing is so much fun, it's crazy. It's amazing how these toy drones continue to improve and improve and improve. First off, the fact that it's fully ducted, so fun, so great. I would happily recommend it to any age kid. Now, obviously, it's going to be harder to do the smaller you are, but it is very simple to operate, very simple to fly. Battery life is completely reasonable. Obviously, the more flips and stunts you do, the less time you get flying. If you just kind of float around, you get a ton of flight time. Actually, speaking of floating around, I will say additionally, it actually hovered really well. As you can or cannot tell, it is very windy out here today, and I did not have any issues with the wind whatsoever. All of that was easily controllable. In the end, I gotta give this a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, right out of the box. Super easy to use, 2 batteries, fully ducted, does all the stunts, has all the different speeds, spin maneuvers, all that. Anyway, totally fun. What do you say we go do the unboxing now? You heard about its features, you watched it fly, you saw my review, you're still here watching. How about we do an unboxing and I'll show you what comes in the box? This is the past now, so I haven't seen it yet myself. Let's check it out. Here's the drone itself. How cool looking is that? I think this actually comes with 2 batteries, which is a good thing. But let's open it up before I talk at a turn and see what falls out. And there are, in fact, 2 teeny little rechargeable batteries. Let me show you what it looks like. This teeny little battery here comes with the standard things, chargers, a little tool to remove blades, and a couple of replacement blades, although they're ducted, so I'm not exactly sure what you have to do to damage one of those blades. Here's the remote, and I really like that these things now come with these instructions actually right on the remote, so you can look at it. It's got the QR code so you can get the app. It tells you what's headless, what's forward, 3D flip button, speed switch, all those normal things. Let me show you what the remote looks like. Ultra simple, it's a beginner drone, right? That's all you need. It's got all the basic functions you have there. Oh, let me just show you one other thing. I love when it includes the trimmer as like controls right on the remote. I think that's great. I don't like the idea that you have to tell some kid that they have to press down on this and go in this direction and that. It doesn't make any sense from a usability standpoint, but when you just have this little keypad to trim the thing, if it's gliding a little bit, that's a really good thing. In any case, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.